Today we are learning how to make the official cocktail of the U.S. Open, the Honey Deuce. It even has a fantastic name.
It does, Honey Deuce. I love it. It just doesn't get better. I love saying it. And joining us now to help is New York mixologist and Grey Goose ambassador, Maxime Belfand.
Hello.
Well, Maxime, thank you so much for coming. Welcome to New York Living.
Thank you for having me, ladies.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, she even has an accent. You're welcome.
The whole thing. So this is, you are the U.S. Open. You go there every day.
Hosting people, watching tennis. I mean, life could be harder, right?
I mean,
Right.
you are getting paid to do something fantastic.
Exactly. And I love tennis. I used to play when I was a kid.
Oh.
So to me, this is the dream week.
Where are you from?
Fantastic.
I'm French.
French.
From a small town next to Paris. Been living in New York for 10 years, so technically a New Yorker.
Technically
Yes,
a New
that's
Yorker.
right.
Do you take the subway?
No, bike.
Okay,
Oh,
even
bikes.
better. Even better.
I do.
Talk to us
Sustainable.
about this thing of beauty, this libation of
Yes.
beauty, otherwise known as the Honey Deuce.
The Honey Deuce.
It's been at the U.S. Open how many years?
16 years.
Whoa.
We sold over 1 million over those 16 years. So this has been such an iconic part of the US Open, right? If you watch any tennis game at the US Open today, you see people drinking this wonderful
I've had
beverage.
my
We
fair
have
share.
indulged.
I have
Exactly.
had my fair share of these
And by the way,
libations.
I
They're
love this
delicious.
show. You can drink early in the morning.
Oh,
This
yeah.
is
Are you
amazing.
kidding?
I love your
It's
style.
5
ladies.
o'clock somewhere.
Exactly. It's 5 o'clock in France.
Oh, there
And
we
this
go.
This is
There
where
we
Grey
go.
Goose is made. So we have this wonderful bottle that was designed with the USTA special edition for
in your
this
bag.
special occasion.
There
As
it
you
is.
see right here,
It's
amazing.
beautiful. Beautiful bottle.
And we're going to make the Honey Deuce. Why not? Very simple drink.
Okay.
Only 3 ingredients,
All
as
right.
I said earlier.
Doable.
3.
So anybody can make that at home. So
Yes.
let's do it together?
Please.
We shall try.
So we have these wonderful cups that are the 2022 edition for the US Open.
Excuse you.
All right.
Oh, it's
It has every winner's name.
Exactly.
Do I get to
Female,
give this back
male.
to
Can we keep these?
You guys can.
We are
It's
so
fine.
desperate. Look at
We
us.
are so desperate.
Okay.
Oh boy. Okay, here we
In
go.
the
right.
vessel goes.
We're diving right in.
Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so we're gonna start with the ice. Very important ingredient.
Yeah.
No
Nice
one for one
combination.
cocktail.
Exactly. So, yeah.
Do it and then pass it around.
Exactly. This is what we're gonna do.
Now, Maxime, as you are preparing the ice, how many of these do you think you've made? I know you said there are like 1 million that have been served with. How many
Yeah.
do you think you have personally made?
One too many to count.
How
to be
many
honest
have you
with you.
consumed?
One too
One too
many to
many to
count.
Well done.
But you know, it's also a very light cocktail. It's very easy drinking.
Yes.
New York is hot. You know, it's still it's September,
Breaking
but still
news.
Yes.
it's very hot right now.
Yeah.
It's humid tomorrow. Apparently,
Yes.
the weather's going back
Yeah.
to something that's very hot. So this is the perfect cocktail to enjoy during the U.S. Open or watching.
Or anytime.
Whatever you want.
Exactly. So we're gonna start with the main ingredient, the star of the
The
show.
Grey Goose vodka.
star.
Grey
Show.
Goose, exactly.
terribly thirsty, so
Made in
bad.
France with soft winter wheat. Absolutely delicious. So we're gonna go with 1.5 ounces.
1.5 ounces.
An ounce and a half.
After
Oh
you.
boy.
Put
Okay.
This
down
is
your
a
paper.
jigger that you can get online.
Okay.
What's an ounce and a half? Just one of
So
these?
1.5 ounces, the little
Like a
line
lady,
inside.
like
and
a
so
lady.
this is my
That's it.
and this
I'm about
is
to give you a double.
double
Unbelievable.
trouble, double trouble.
She is-
Beautiful.
she is
Look
done.
at that technique. She's a natural.
It's like she's
I am
made
actually
of-
the
Amazing.
resident
I'm
bartender
just
on the
gonna
show.
go.
Oh, we're eyeballing over here.
Yay.
Well, there's
Beautiful.
always one.
All right.
Next.
The refreshing part, which is a fresh lemonade. Okay, so we're gonna go around 3 ounces for this one
Okay.
to make it
three,
balance.
He's a pro.
Yes.
He,
Look,
not-
I
he has
spilled.
not spilled
No.
a single drop.
That drop is for me.
Go
I do
with your
this for
I
lemonade.
wasn't
living.
paying attention. How many of these?
There you go. 3 ounces. So
What
you're
I
gonna
also
fill
like
it up
about
all the
this-
way to the top and then half
This
of it.
is something you can make at home.
Exactly.
You can get all of these ingredients.
If you don't have a
Oh,
jigger,
I
it's
did a
okay
little
as well. You can
all right.
eyeball it.
That's
It's
what
okay.
I did.
Like this one.
I'm gonna eyeball.
Exactly. Go for it. Yes.
Whatever
Oh, I
you. The
went
world
too
is your
much.
oyster, Maddie.
Your actually looks really good. Okay, now that we have our Grey Goose, our lemonade, we're going to finish with Chambord, which is a raspberry liqueur. Okay.
And it's already
And this-
been decanted.
Exactly. Yeah.
Dios mío. Like I know what I'm talking about.
Marisol. Okay.
Ay!
Oh, woo!
He
So we're
just
going to
made
do
me-
half an ounce. This is gonna give a little bit of floral notes, some berries,
And for- yes, I was
and
gonna
very
say for
important,
people-
the color.
For people who
that-
don't know
of
what
that drink.
Chambord is.
I've never had this.
So
My
Chambord
first.
is
Oh,
also
no.
a French liqueur made with honey, raspberry, and blackberry. So
refreshing.
quite delicious. It had a little bit of sweetness to the drink as well.
Okay.
And just balance it out overall.
And then do we?
Exactly. So we have
Just a
I
little
brought
bit?
you some very special spoons that you can
Oh,
keep for your
my.
little bar at home.
My little bar at home.
Here it
There
is.
you go, darling. That's for you.
Thank you.
And we're just gonna give
Merci.
a little twist right here.
Just a little twist.
Exactly. And then we are going to add our garnish, which
My
is
favorite part.
on your side, Marisol.
Marisol,
Yes.
if you will.
This is mine.
Okay.
This is
so-
I just had an epiphany. This is the goose.
It
of the
is.
gray goose.
It is very special.
I am beside myself
Good
with joy
morning.
right now. It's like,
Hello.
what is this?
Thank you for
It's the
coming.
goose. Thank you.
So
Hi,
the honey
thanks for
deuce.
playing.
This is why it's called a honey deuce.
Yeah.
Honey deuce. It's like little tennis
Little
ball.
tennis balls.
Exactly. So this is for you.
Maris.
Sir,
I'm just gonna put it right there.
So delicately placed.
and this
This
is
is for
just
you, Alex.
This is
Thank
a
you.
honeydew.
This is a honeydew.
Honeydew
There for the name.
It's just perfect. The honeydew for the honeydews.
Right.
Tennis. Oh my
I'm
God.
sorry.
This is blowing me away.
I am selfish. I am rude. I am a terrible host. I kept all of the melon for me.
It's okay.
And here it is.
It's okay. Now we can cheers
Cheers.
to a great US Open.
Yes.
To a great September.
Yes.
To you ladies.
Thank you for
To you,
coming,
sir.
and to
Thank
you, Maxime.
To all the
Thank
New
you.
Yorkers and everybody else
And to
in
all the
America
competitors.
enjoying.
Oh wait, listen,
luck.
but if you don't want to make this yourself, we
You
were
can-
told there's a delivery service.
So this is brand new.
Not that it's hard,
That's right.
but this is
Actually,
amazing.
this is a very, it's called the Honeydew Express. So this is made by Cocktail Courier, which is amazing.
That's what
so you
that
can,
adorable little can is.
exactly. So this is an insulated bag. So you can actually, so when you receive it, you have a little case inside.
Oh, how cute.
So you can
Stop
bring
it.
that to the beach, you can bring that to the park, anywhere you want to go.
Bring it. No, don't bring
And
it. to
those
work.
go
Don't
in.
bring it to the park.
Don't bring it to the park.
No, don't bring it to work.
Open container laws
Or
won't
to
get you in
friends.
trouble. But you can bring it with you. You can take it home.
And you get your little honeydew can.
Stop it.
So
That's
this is
the full
actually,
cocktail
this
in
is
there.
what we just did.
Oh my
In a
God.
here.
can.
Yes. So you just
What?
pour it over ice
That's it.
and you're done.
What have you guys not thought of?
I know.
Holy
This is it
moly.
now. We have it.
Maxime, you
We
don't
have
need
it.
to go to the Opens. Just stay here with us.
Just
We're going to
mix
share
up
this
cocktail.
recipe on our website. Go to pix11.com and click the New York Living tab. Thank you so much. This is fantastic.
My pleasure.
Salud.
Thank you for having me.
Thank
Turned
you.
on.
Salud, salud. Again.